Hi, I'm Eran Drori from Insulation Labs.
And I'm Andres Araujo from Greenfiber.
Our partnership with Greenfiber has been an important part of how we deliver value to our clients. We're not just looking for insulation that works in theory. We need products that perform consistently in the real world, across all types of projects. Sanctuary does exactly that. Sanctuary goes beyond basics of insulation. It's engineered to fill every crevice and gap, which means homes don't just stay more comfortable, they also become quieter and more energy efficient. Homeowners can see up to 60% reduction in sound power, which makes a huge difference in everyday life, and up to 25% savings on heating and cooling costs, which they feel in their wallets every month. What makes Sanctuary stand out even more is how environmentally responsible it is. Made from 85% recycled paper and free of formaldehyde, it is an eco-friendly solution that aligns with the values of today's homeowners who want healthier, more sustainable spaces. Safety is another area where Sanctuary provides peace of mind. With its Class 1 fire resistance rating, we know we're installing a product that protects families and their homes. That's something we never compromise on. We've installed Sanctuary on countless projects, and time after time, it has delivered consistent, high-performance results. This partnership allows us to confidently promise our clients not just insulation, but a comprehensive solution for quieter, safer, healthier homes. Choosing Sanctuary means investing in long-term comfort, efficiency, and well-being. And that's the kind of outcome every homeowner deserves.